Money Manager is a comprehensive financial application for Android that assists users in tracking their expenses, managing budgets, and monitoring overall financial health. Designed for individuals who want to take control of their finances, this app offers an intuitive interface that simplifies the process of recording and analyzing financial transactions. With Money Manager, users can categorize their expenses, set budget limits, and analyze spending habits through detailed reports and graphs. The app often supports features such as recurring transactions, income tracking, and the ability to sync data across multiple devices, making it easier for users to stay organized. Additionally, Money Manager may include functionalities for exporting financial data, setting savings goals, and providing financial insights that help users make informed decisions about their money. Overall, Money Manager is an invaluable tool for anyone looking to improve their financial literacy, gain better control over their spending, and achieve their financial goals.